Telecommunications and broadband have become imperative to the success of the world we live in. From small business to large, from schools to our students' academic success, from our farmers to food processing, manufacturing, and distribution. You need a partner you can count on to support the ever-changing dynamics of this fast-paced environment. A partner with expertise in underground and overhead utility design. A firm that has the resources and talent to support turnkey solutions. ISG is changing the game by providing even more for its clients through telecommunications expertise, building on nearly 50 years of providing exceptional professional services in architecture, engineering, environmental, and planning. As a full-service firm of 300 professionals, ISG now provides so much more.